Mm. Nice, nice. Got a blueberry muffin and caramel macchiato, my favorite, or also known as the only drink I've ever tried from Starbucks. Am I live? Yes, I am. Great. Alright. Good, good, good. Okay. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Huh. Mm. No, I think I should have this. Don't eat that muffin, do work. Mm. Alright, it's nice and warm. Uh, so I guess. Oh, right. Tables don't work like this. Sine is cosine. I should do it like this so that it knows how many arguments the function is supposed to have. Ugh. You can do mm. What's the time for me? It's 3:20, 3:19 in the evening. I don't exactly have an English accent, do I? Mm. Whatever, I'll do the grad here. Oh, how am I going to represent argument 1 and argument 2? I think I know how. Never mind, I don't know how. Guess I'll do it like that. Did you read the Discord DM? Yeah. Forgot what I said. Oh, the KSF stuff. Yeah, that's not something for now. That's something for later. Arctan. So we got 2 arguments. We've got I'll just use Mathematica notation. Mulpow plus Mulpow add. I like that better. Let's do Mulpow and add. $5. Nice one, dude. Thank you. I'm gonna sneeze. I sneezed. Okay. So that'll be the first one. And then that should be the second one. Yep. Buffer? Is the stream buffering? It is. I don't think I'm downloading anything at all or uploading anything. Well, this is coming along splendid. Where did you learn to code? Pretty much taught myself at Script Builders, just watching other people. It's much more difficult to do that now because the Script Builders work differently. Used to be you could just paste your whole script, like thousands of lines, into the chat, but now the chat has a character limit, doesn't it? Basically, the biggest thing to learning how to code is to want to learn how to code and keep trying. It's not exactly a straightforward process. Bug. My dream is to be a famous developer since I was 6. Wow, that's fun. You could look at free models and like read the code, like know what it does, and then like look through the code for things that resemble what it's doing and like try to match that. I don't know. Like there's so much you can do. You can use the output of the console to help teach you. All right. Hey, did it actually add that? Oh no, okay. Here we're doing good. Oh. Make the strafes like CSGO strafes in B-Hop. What is that supposed to mean? I don't lose speed in CS, but I do in Roblox. It's not supposed to be an exact copy. In fact, the way I've implemented it in my game is more perfect, I guess I could say, because it's not some sort of error Excel algorithm. It basically, in my game, it's like there's infinite error Excel. So there's not sort of it doesn't slow you down as much when or slow your speed gain as much when you're going very, very fast. Probably my crap internet. My game I really tried to like separate the server and client so that there's no, if the server has lag, the clients don't feel it at all. That's what I wanted to do, but I didn't do a very good job with the networking, because if the networking lags and some player frames are kind of buffered up, when they all come out, you have to decode all of them, and that'll probably cause a latency or frame stuttering. So I didn't do that very well. That's one of the things I want to fix. But you can actually disable other players with a command, so. CS, if you hit the top a little, it will stop you. I actually don't. I've only like surfed on CS like once, so I'm mainly a B-hopper. CS? Actually, no, I don't think I've ever surfed on CS. I've B-hopped in CS a couple times, but mainly I was B-hopping in Gary's mod. B-hop is boring because you just jump. Surf is boring, there's no action. It's not about the platforms and the just like regular bits of the map. It's about when you're going fast and you're trying to like thread the needle and stuff. Trying to hit the route. Ooh, well, is this a computer algebra system already? Let's see. Evaluate. video. Okay. Luajet. Where's Luajet? I think it's in here. There it is. Forget how this works. It's probably got one on. There we go. Uh-huh. Alright, let's try this. Tools, build system. Oh, exit code 1. Attempt to index local environment. Gotcha. Nothing. Ah, didn't return anything. Prompt. With nil. Attempt to call func a string value. Oh, whoops. Right. I don't have an add function. Gotta have that. Ah, jeez. Oh, geez, Rick! I don't have a way to take the derivative of a arbitrary number of arguments function. What are you working on? I'm making a computer algebra system right now, so that I can send equations over the network and then have the clients evaluate those equations and then use global timers to have platforms move rather than like replicating positions and then not being able to recreate the position of the platform. Oh! It doesn't even matter if the server simulation does not match up with the client, because it will just use the server's time that the server got. Ooh, this is good. This is great, because it means that I don't need to worry about like numerical instability and stuff. Like unless it's a super edge case where you just like barely hit a platform by like a millionth of a stud, or it would probably be more like a trillionth of a stud or something like that, which basically wouldn't happen. And so you'd have to be that close, and there would have to be like residual floating point error accumulation because of the starting time and hitting moving platform. It would be bananas. So this is good. I figured out that I don't need to actually match the client and server simulation. The server can just use the time it got from its simulation. Yes, those are my specs. 32 gigs of RAM. And I'm looking to upgrade. I want that 9900K. I should have told that guy to send $400 to my PayPal directly. Google gets 25% of donations to the chat. 25%? Are you kidding? You don't need that. That's overkill. I know. But it's the best there is for single-threaded performance. I'm not doing it for gaming. I'm doing it for like getting the best performance in emulators and video encoding and gaming. So I've got multiple things, and this is the best, like literally the best processor for all that together. Like I could get a better processor for video encoding. Actually, maybe not for that price. No. One of the Ryzen CPUs would probably be a better value. Yeah, one of the Threadrippers probably. Yeah, probably. But I want the gaming and emulator performance it'll give me. You know any trusty emulators? I'm getting 64 gigabytes of RAM. $16 gig is like standard these days. If you don't have 16 gig, you should probably get 16 gig of RAM. And but then if you've never seen your 16 gigabytes of RAM full, you don't need 32 gigabytes. Like I've filled up my RAM a couple times, and so I like 32. And like emulators use a lot of RAM, so I like emulators. I have 1 terabyte of RAM. That's actually possible. There are servers with like 16 RAM slots. Bet. And you can like fill them all with like 32 gig sticks or something. Does that even work out? 16 times 32? No, so I guess it's 64 gig sticks. Yeah, must be. I only have 8 gig RIP. 8 gigabyte is fine unless you kind of do anything that needs RAM. Like, let's see, what am I? So Chrome's 3 gigabytes. So my RAM is at 8 gigabytes. So as what I'm doing right now, I could easily have 16, but 8 gigabytes would be kind of pushing it. A compressed 38 megabytes, good grief. Windows likes to hover around like 30% RAM usage, like no matter what you have, I think, because I remember it was like similar to this when I had 16 for just idle. But like some emulators will use 12 gigabytes of RAM. So if I have 8 plus 12, that's already bigger than 16. And of course, if you're modding Minecraft, no doubt you need 32 gigabytes of RAM. Ooh, ooh. Da, 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 da. No, no, no. I need a special type of derivative here. I can do power. I need log. 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 Use LN, please. That's sort of a school thing. LN is like a school thing because they use LOG for base 10 log, which is just bad because it's not what logarithm is. Logarithm is the natural logarithm. That's what logarithm is. Like look at Lua uses, wait, it's not. Lua uses log 10 for base 10 logarithm and log for the natural logarithm. Oh, it's Octonian saying the math thing. Hi. Probably should have ordered 16 gigabyte Black Friday. What did you mean I had to update the BIOS if I get a 7700K? Well, if your motherboard is 6th gen, but 7th gen CPUs will fit in the socket and are stated as compatible with the motherboard. But in order to get that compatibility, you have to update the BIOS. You should be able to find a guide on how to update the BIOS. Basically, make sure the power doesn't go out when you're updating the BIOS, otherwise your motherboard will become a paperweight. It takes like a minute or 2 minutes to do the actual BIOS update. You just have to sit there and hope the power doesn't go out. Should be pretty straightforward. You might be able to even find a guide for your specific motherboard. Your motherboard might say what it is on the motherboard. It's like GA-75 one. Like that's gigabyte motherboards, but yeah. All right, log. We got the logarithm derivative. Pow. We got the power derivative. All right, what's the full power derivative? Go away. All right. Is that a math reader thing? This is going to be a math evaluator thing. I'm going to use it for moving platforms. I'm going to make every single moving platform into a math expression. And then I'll also have a thing to take the derivative so I can have the position and velocity of the platform at any time. And it's like analytics, so I can just straight up put in any time and it'll give me the position of the platform at that time. That way I can recreate the situation of the bot recording sent to the server. I can recreate the conditions, same conditions, and have it re-simulate the run from only the inputs. So I'll probably send like mouse movement, I think, rather than camera angles, because then people won't be able to fudge camera angles. But the problem is if you have a starting camera angle, because you would need to have a starting camera angle, then people could fudge the initial camera angle. And like strafe upwards or something. But I'm not there yet, so I'll see if I can figure out a solution before then. Alright, so for power, oh geez, I forgot to put the extra brackets around. Alright, we got mol, pow, two, arg, 2. And then the second one is mol, so there's power derivative. So then this should be nice and easy. Yep. Oh geez. Never mind. And then this is straightforward. The walk to Starbucks really helped improve my mood. Thanks for suggesting that. I don't remember who suggested it, but thank you. He said he's gonna stream with someone. Yeah, it was It's a Name, the maker of the database server, but he said he was called into work. Happens all the time. What happened to the roast beef? Honestly, I have no idea what you're doing, but it's fun to watch. Yeah, this is some complicated stuff. I can almost guarantee that there's no game in Roblox that has a computer algebra system, and maybe some test game, like someone making some sort of mathematical thing. But I could use this in the chat as well. I would love to do that. Make a parser. I don't want to make a parser, but I could, in theory. This should be like modular enough to continue development. All right, add. I have add now, except I don't. I could make it a function. So I could have add yeah. Wow, I gotta poop. So yeah, I'll have functions. That's easy. I saw 3K at one point. How many? Really? You saw 3K? I thought it was like 450 maximum. I don't understand why some rap I can deal with, but most I can't. Like, this is okay. Ooh, this is good. This is a good way to do it. Alright, save. I'm gonna poop. And I wanna hear. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the music. I'll just play whatever this is. Yeah, be right back. Okay, I'm back. I was pooping. Pooping! Ooh, okay. Right. I think I should be able to do this. Maybe not. Maybe this. Shop is just a GUI right now. Can't click anything. You can click on inventory and it'll make some memes show up. Meme objects. Meme items. The final items will probably have a smaller size, but yeah, I'm adding a shop. I totally need a computer algebra system for a shop. It's December there now? Damn. I've still got 8 hours to go. What's this song? I'll just freaking link it. Wow, okay, that should be the derivative of multiply. Alright, Control B. And we get another error. Question mark. The error is question mark.
What you got there? Okay, I'll tell you, but you can't tell anyone. You have to be really cool about this. Yeah, of course. These are mushrooms. A psychedelic drug. Makes you see weird things and feel happy for a few hours. I figure we're gonna be stuck inside for a while with a storm, so it'll be a fun way to pass the time. Okay. Well, there we
Okay.
go. Yeah, that's what my friends say too. Well, here we go. Oh, dude, I think I
Well, here we go.
get the context time.
Oh, there it is. Attempt to index local tree and function value. Where is that? 59. Oh, fuck. Oh! We got a value. Sine 4 plus cos 6. Alright. What we have here, boys, is a computer algebra system. So this Mathematica right here is a computer algebra system, and it costs $7,000. Don't tell anyone. I got it online somewhere. And this is a much simpler version. So I got some of these derivatives. Alright, let's make the derivative function. Local function derivative. Actually, could I make it into a, like, I don't know, function? Probably, but should probably just not. You know, trying to take the derivative of the derivative function. That doesn't make any sense. Oh, what a silly thing. Quad's a time traveler? Why am I a time traveler? How do you... Did you hear that from someone? Oh. From the future.
LSD, cocaine, and ecstasy are now just a click of a mouse away.
DJ Smokey. DJ Smokey.
You can buy any drug imaginable.
Immediately shut this site down before more damage is done.
Damn, son.
So I
This
could
must be a
do.
DJ Smokey exclusive.
You couldn't locate the people using it or administering the site.
Something different there.
It works like cash on the internet. You can move it, but it doesn't have to be associated with any name, and people couldn't trace the money.
Oh my god.
So, doing it like this might make it simpler, but I could do it differently. I could do it where I'm returning the list. How did you come up with your name? Talking about my name? Look it up. Quaternions. It's a real thing.
You're incapable of running this shit. Sit your $5 ass down before I make change.
Can I get a link to your music? This is Left's music. He sent me the link. Ask him for it. I could probably. I could probably just send it anyway. Here. I think I will change this.
Larry Davis takes it to a horrible scene in Hamilton. Larry.
Evil ways, pussy.
QRSTUV.
Keep your eyelids lowered. We have now completed this practice session. Relax. Do that now.
Smoked out. Smoked out positive squad. Protect DJ Smokey at all costs.
You're listening to Acid Break, Acid Break, Acid Break, Acid Break, Acid. They always come and fuck with us. Oh, right around this guy, you see? What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Here we go. Nigga, it's so hard, nigga.
Wait. No, this is right. That should do it. So I wonder if the what's the total length? 74.55, so 19 lines, and then this one is 36.53. Oh, it's shorter total. This sort of takes the full derivative idea into account, whereas this is more custom. So you could do like non-derivative things with this and wacky stuff, whereas with this you're kind of fixed into giving the derivative, which is what it's for.
Smoke.
Oh,
This is a certified hood.
I could have a string value, and the name determines what it's.
The rest is bullshit and you know it.
Hmm. Okay. Lucas. I like Lucas. It's a throwback to this first one. Lucas. How long ago did I make it? $2013. So 2 years before I made B-Hop. Yay. Yay. Okay. So I could make all of these into functions. But meh. Well, Actually, come to think of it. So let me do too true. Does it let you? No. Oh, right. It's not a function. Whoa! That's so strange. Wow, Mathematica's straight up wizardry. How about Chaos? Chaos. That is Mathematica, dude. Oof. All right, derivative. Gotta do 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 derivative. Okay. Is that Spanish? I don't speak Spanish. Portuguese. I know you will not understand, but I was playing your game. Octonians, who was here earlier, is Brazilian. You would probably understand. Okay. Brr. Ah. Wah. I thought Octonians was your alt. He's quite influenced by me. Octonians are a natural extension of Quaternions to 8 dimensions, I believe. Quaternions are like 4-dimensional, Octonians are 8-dimensional. It's a very excellent reference to the math behind my name. It's like flattering, basically. How do you do derivatives, dude? How do you do derivatives, dude? Dude, how do you dude? Dude. All right. Let's start. Autism kicking in. Honestly, I'm probably autistic. That just never been diagnosed. Derivative. Oh wait, this is called derivative. So question is, should I turn all of these into functions? Because I could do that, but it'd be... Yeah. Searching for ARG. I don't want to search through the trees. Yeah. Yeah. Did you add anyone on Roblox? Not recently. What are you talking about? Are you fixing exploits or shop? This is like 20 steps before fixing exploits. But I need it to so I need a computer algebra system to send math over the network to make analytic equations for moving platforms to be able to find the position that a moving platform was at when the player jumped on it for server-side simulations to prevent people from exploiting. So a lot of steps away, but it's on the go. It's working on it. We'll go play comp. Bye. Oh wait. I had I donate, but I'm just a kid. No problem, dude. I'm not streaming for money, but it's always welcome. All right, big ol' Arctan function. Yo, quat. Alright, well there's all the derivatives turned into functions. Alright. Ba. Since you deleted some of the hack times on maps, I got God rank back on Surf. So thank you, Quat. That's funny. So there's the partial derivatives. No. Is that partial derivatives? I think it's... Alright, I think I gotta look up the definition. Partial derivative. So I don't make any... Partial derivative, df, dx... Yeah, it is partial derivatives. Good. Good. What's this? 57 megabytes. That seems quite small. Okay. There's the partials.
positive squad.
Now, we are ready to begin our series which will relieve tensions and fatigue and impart new strength and life to every part of your body.
Each day that you practice, the great profundity and significance will become more meaningful to you.
More meaningful to you.
Relax completely. Breathe slowly and quietly for several moments. There are wonderful therapeutic effects.
Evil ways, pussy.
You're incapable of running this shit. Sit your $5 ass down before I make change.
DJ Smokey, kicking lames out the rap game.
Wonderful therapeutic. Wonderful therapeutic. Wonderful.
I know you're gonna dig this.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Yo, DJ Smokey, what you stealing boxes for? What you trying to build, a clubhouse? Don't worry about what the fuck he be doing. It's DJ Smokey.
Music, please. Stick that tone up to your dome and stick that tone up to your dome and stick that tone up to your dome and lay your bitch ass on the floor. Stick that tone up to your dome and stick that tone up to your dome and stick that tone up to your dome and lay your bitch ass on the floor. Stick that tone up to your dome and stick that tone up to your dome and stick that tone up to your dome and lay your bitch ass on the floor. Stick that tone up to your dome and stick that tone up to your dome and stick that tone up to your dome.
Oops, we got another eye. Shouldn't be a problem, but just watch out.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Hustle made everything, bitches.
Should I do a check? Probably. Am I gonna do a check? No. All right. Just joined right now. Mind telling what you're working on? Computer algebra system for moving platforms, so I can send an equation over the network and tell the clients how the platforms move, and all the clients will move the platforms together just because they have synchronized clocks. So everyone will see the platform in the same spot. And I'll also be able to have the platforms change to look how they look on another person's screen. So when the spectating is like offset by a certain amount of time, I can read what time it is on the player's thing, so it looks like the platform is in the same place as it was when they jumped on it. This is going to be excellent. And it's going absolutely swimmingly right now. I have so many, or not so many, but I have several ideas that I'm working on optimization. I probably shouldn't be optimizing it before I've tested it, but that's what I do. So here we go. Term, what's... it doesn't matter, okay. So this should get rid of a lot of adding 0 and multiplying by 1 that will result from taking derivatives. And I've done it quite intelligently, I think. Yes, okay, also if I forgot about this case, number ret equals 0, then turn 1 else. Woo! Man, I predicted the fail case where it gets rid of all the arguments because they're all 0 or all 1. Oof. Yeah, I'm like proactive. This is pre-optimization, which most programmers, or not most programmers, but like programming teachers will tell you not to do. But if you're a smarty like me, and you don't care what those programming teachers say, and you haven't taken very many programming classes, you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna optimize my code so much before I... Alright, So, if there's no derivative func... Hold up. Okay, so if there's no derivative func, then it might not be a function. Peasants play jailbreak, real men play surf. I don't know, dude. Surf is kind of the normie game. I think what you meant to say is b-hop. Okay. Oh, F type func. Alright, got a problem here. I should probably... like, functions and variables are both strings here. Not good, not good. That should be it, actually. I think that's derivatives. I've just made something and we'll take a derivative. Let's try it out. Let's do derivative of this with respect to A. Oh, look, there's an error! End expected close function at line 55. Line 55. Function. What? Where am I missing an end? Near this 55. This goes to there. There we go. Derivative of nil unknown. Attempt to index global ret 153. XD. Derivative of nil unknown. Derivative of nil unknown. Ah, crap. Uh-oh. So yeah, this shouldn't happen. So close. Control B. Woo! We got a table. No nils. Alright, do I have a serialized function at the top of this? No. Right. There we go. Reet. Oh, that's not the right thing. Okay, just throw this in at the top. Do we have any Lua or Roblox stuff here? Yes, we do. Should be fine. Oh, ooh. Alright, I forgot another case in here. Wait. We got an extra thing here. Go! Ooh, that's much better, eh? So we took the derivative of sine, and we got cosine. Let's check our answer here. So derivative of sine A with respect to A, and we get cosine. Look at how simple that is after I added that Woo. That is the smallest computer algebra system I think I've ever made.